Quick and shitty video about the keycaps on this Swintec 112PD. Well, the main cluster here has sort of standardish keycaps for Mitsumi simplified linears, that is Mitsumi KDM. This style of keycap is pretty normal, but these ones, these are different. Still double shots, still thick double shots, but you can see it's got those like little bumps sticking out there. It's like it's got the those riveted in. The big keycaps seem to be similar, but you can see the thickness is different. I don't know what's up with that. Also, this big giant plus key mounted on two half-weight KDM switches instead of a single full-weight one. Different slider color, different housing color. Kind of weird. I hope this is informative.